In this video, I'll show you a live trade that we have taken along with the mentoring participants. So the trade was planned and executed right at the opening itself, as discussed in the pre-market itself. So let me show you the trade and then I'll explain the trade and then I'll show you the live trade also. So you can watch and you can learn from that. So this was the gap up. So we plan to buy on dip, and the first dip that we were looking for, this 900 area. So once the price came here, we bought it. Also, you can see this was the previous day CPR. It's a virgin CPR that should be acting as strong support. And you can see this is the support. Even now took a support. This trade also we took. So I'll show you the trade we just exited now. This is a winning trade. And this is the first trade that you see, 96 to 1. So the reason is this. I hope you got it. And we'll show you later a put trade also, and we did also the other videos. Okay. So you can watch this recording, you can watch this live trade, and if you are interested, you can join us. You can join the community where you can trade with me and you can learn from that in live market. So see you there. Talk to my team. Join. Yeah, I've placed an order at 101. Got it at 101. We'll average because I'm looking for this is the yesterday CPR. It's a virgin CPR. This should be the strong support. 900 is what I wanted to add, but got it early slightly. Let's see. We added some more here. 96. Yeah, it touched that area. 900 and also this around this pivot. Stop loss technically it should be 20 MA, but I won't be able to hold. So instead I'll keep a monetary stop loss. 90 we can keep. Yeah, this VWAP is 110. I'll reduce some at 108. It is at VWAP. I'll give 110. I got it at 110. And I'll keep this 130 only. If they break VWAP, then I'll get that 130. Otherwise, I want to exit some. Yeah, it's crossing now. It's looking good. So I hope all of you got this trade. We placed a limit order. Yeah, it was a limit order. I was waiting for that level. I told you this is Virgin CPR, so it can take us support. 900 also. I'll reduce some more at 115. We'll keep this 65. Done for the day. A small trade, that's enough. Now we need to wait for a dip, decent dip. I don't want to chase unnecessary trade. If I get even 120, I'll be happy with this. Keep 120. Yeah, if they make a move 2 days high, that's fine. That you'll get easily. Moving. So that is why I told you we don't want to chase at that high level when the price is here. We'll be trapped. So better wait for the dip. We'll be getting it. So yeah, I was waiting for a dip at least to 900. If you look at it, that average that I have done is at 9. This is where I've done the averaging. So see, I've added first at 101, and when it came to 96, I've averaged because that was this 900. And also we have this CPR, previous day CPR, and that's a virgin CPR. So since the price is above that, that is one round of strong support. If they break down, then it can come to 20 MA. Okay, we didn't get that, no? Still it's around 115. So after 96, I've exited some with 10 points, then exited some at VWAP, then exited some at 115. Now 120 if I get, that's a beautiful trade. That means you're almost getting 24 points. Yeah, that we gave a limit order. That means otherwise I don't want to unnecessarily enter, or I can avoid the slippage also. But even then, when I gave 101, I calculated it like this. If it comes to 900, it will be 101. But it with 910 itself, the premium came down actually to 101. And when it came to 900, it was 96. Actually, I wanted to buy at this level. But premium depends on multiple other parameters also. You cannot simply look at delta and calculate. So many other factors also involved. Only approximately you can say. See, it went to 118. Like last day also, we took a trade for 50 paisa. We missed the trade at the premium came down. Remember last day? Let's see. Pushing it down to VWAP. That's not good. See, this is came below VWAP. Now put also below VWAP, call also below VWAP. With respect to selling, it is better to go non-directional here because either it can come to this or it can go to 24,000. So that level you can become directional. First thing, I think we can take a trailing stop loss here. Okay, if this green candle is taken out, we can exit. Okay. And then we re-enter here. So it's just a matter of 65 quantity only, but still we follow the rule. Simple. Wow, look at that. Beautiful bombs. Oh, anyone added here? Crazy bombs. Now it is again above VWAP. Now showing the strength. Should have added, no? Look at that. 170. Guys, that was a good op. I don't know how many of you have added. Just that we already got a good trade, then I don't want to unnecessarily average. Otherwise, could have done. And there was nothing was also there here to add. If it was again coming to the 900, then I would have tried, but Let's see, that's showing some good strength now. IT is strong. IT, in fact, IT and bank both are strong. IT ADR, in fact, Wipro and Infosys both were 4% up. HDFC is also having some good positive arbitrage. HDFC should also do good today. Let's see. That's why it's buy on dip for me. I'm not going to short it as of now. I don't have plan to short it. Again, they pushed it below VWAP. Come on. Went to 117 again, then pushed it to 107. Let's see. But it is showing the strength, right? VIX is also, if you look at it, it's cooling off, it's fine. Everything is looking perfect for a bullish market today. IT is doing good. Bank Nifty is also doing good. In fact, both are going towards the same direction. Normally, one is positive, they'll keep the other sideways or negative. Today, both are looking good. Nifty definitely will go up. VIX is also cooling off. ICC is, HDFC is also fine. So any dip for me is a buying. As of now, I don't want to look on the put side for as a buyer unless they break some important levels. Even if you want to try a mean reversion, you can try at 24,000, not here. I clearly discussed in pre-market also that I am not going to, you know, go with put option. And staying above the strike price, staying above VWAP is a very good sign. VIX is all now. See, now it is further declined. If you look at it, that's again a very good sign. Look at it. This is very positive for the market. IT is again going up. Look at it. Strong. Very positive. Still you can buy, but I would say wait for a dip because this is at this pivot. Right. This is a very important pivot. Earlier when they came here, you remember, in this candle, this was the high. They have given me 170. But now this gave me a new high. It came here. Still, we are not getting the premium move. They should have easily given that 120. Correct. If you see, look at the candle. Where this candle, this is high. You got option premium already 118 there. This is why I don't want to be a buyer, honestly. Unless there is no momentum, you should not be a buyer. I'm not saying you should never be. If there is no momentum, you cannot. If it is consolidating, then you're finished. See, this is where we got 180 when Nifty was here. Now Nifty came till this. What happened? What happened with the premium? So think logically. Do you want to be a buyer in a normal market? You should never be. But if you get candles like this, then you can. That is the only scenario where you should think about buying it. I'm talking about in future. Now, if you have limitation, okay. This is why I hate buy. In fact, I am the biggest lover of option buyer, and I am the one who got maximum benefit also. But looking at this, And when I see the other side, I'm getting the time decay also. I feel like it's worst. Just compare it now, guys. See this one, this candle. This is a high. We have seen 118. Nifty even moved higher than that. Here it went. Here premium made a low, not even this high. Now think about it. Do you want to be a buyer or a seller? Tell me practically, see what will benefit you, buying or selling? Selling. Shoes, you don't have capital to go with it, or you don't have patience to go with it. Capital is not an excuse, even with 5 lakhs also you can do. But 5 lakhs, if you do, you won't see this 20,000, 30,000 profits. You'll get 1,000, 2,000 profits you need to be happy with. But this itself will tell you should never be a buyer, right? Unless you get some momentum like this, you should not be. That's my point. Definitely 24,000 they will defend, because once 24,000 broken on the downside, immediately next day 23,800 also broken. So aggressive call rating at 24,000. So they will defend that level. So expiry will be, I would say, 24,000 plus or minus 100. 100-point tolerance you can anyway give. Who are not getting much profit, you don't lose in case of Strata. If it is going up 100 point, the other one will give you that benefit. So call is increasing 50 point means put will come down for 60 points. In fact, this move 100 point. Imagine this move 100 point. Now Nifty will move, this option may move only 40, 45. It won't even give 50. But put will come down 55, 60. Right? So anyway, it will be at least 20-point net profit. In a worst case, you'll get 10-point net profit in a strategy. If it is going like slowly, if it is immediately, quickly you get a immediate move on 100 point, then you may not be. But this itself will give you, right? This is a typical example what you see here. When the price was here, look at this. Nifty is trading. See, look at this where I'm keeping my cursor. Nifty was here. Look at the premium. Premium was here. When we got this 120, we are out of the trade. Now Nifty is breaking, but still, when the premium was here only. Yeah, this is a trade. 0196.20. Then small trade, but at this higher level, I don't want to go with aggressive quantity. So I kept it small, went with the view, buy on dip. We got the dip to 900, bought it, exited now. We're out of it. Now for the next trade, again buy on dip, let it come to day's low or any of the EMS. Okay. Otherwise, not it. I don't want to spoil. Yeah, simple.